Bet you didn't know. You're supposed to be lubricating your locks every 6 months. That's because dust, dirt, grime, and gunk can find their way into your keyhole, creating friction inside the mechanism, which can make your lock difficult or eventually impossible to turn. Peep this keyhole-care advice and get your lock maintenance on lock. Blow loose dust out of your keyhole using a can of compressed air. Purchase a lock-friendly graphite-based lubricant. Avoid using regular WD-40 or other solvent-based sprays, as the residue will collect crud, gumming up the works and ultimately doing more harm than good. Spray the lubricant into the keyhole liberally to ensure it reaches deep inside. Insert your house key into the lock and slide it in and out repeatedly to work the lube into the keyhole. Now, lock and unlock the door multiple times to ensure the lube gets thoroughly worked into the mechanism. And finally, wipe away the excess spray with a utility cloth. And there you have it, your turnkey solution to keeping your key turning smoothly. And if you learned something there, please like and share.